In this example, a die is rolled. We want to find the probability of the given events. First, before we begin, I'm going to write down the sample space of rolling a die. I know that the dice have 6 sides, so I will have 1 through 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my sample space. Now we want to find the probability of the number is showing on top is going to be the number 5. So what is the probability of 5? The probability of getting 5 is the favorable outcomes, the number of favorable outcomes, which is I have 1 5 here, out of the total number of outcomes, which is 6. So the probability of selecting 5, or the probability of the number being 5, is 1 out of 6. Next, we want to find the probability of the number that is showing is an even number. The probability of even numbers is the number of favorable outcomes. In this case, I have 1, 2, 3 favorable outcomes that are even. So 3 even outcomes out of the total number of outcomes, which is 6 outcomes. The last probability, I want to find the probability that the number showing is greater than 2. So the number is greater than 2. How many numbers in my sample space that are greater than 2? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers that are greater than 2. So 4 numbers that are greater than 2 out of the total outcome, which is 6. In this case, I'm not counting 2 because it doesn't say greater than or equal to 2. So I excluded the 2 and I counted strictly the numbers that are greater than 2. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in a different one.